Hey guys, it's Alik from NatureWithAlik. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channels. I'm right now in Philippines and doing the live recording here from Frank's farm over here, and the beautiful farm and house over here at the Philippines Mabitak Laguna area. And we're starting right now with the roads, with the house, with the shelter, with pond. Thank you so much. Thanks so much. France Miharez is here, Philippines, invited me. I'm so happy. Came over here, help a little bit. I just changed my clothes, but been working all day today. Very good. I'm very happy to volunteer, very happy to help to France, so he can have a nice established over here farm, doing the fish, pineapples, and dragon fruit plantation. So it's gonna be good, beautiful life over here, guys. You should come and share. So the guys is working over here and helping to finish the road. Definitely you need to have a road. You need to get access to the fields, and I'm just gonna walk through what we've managed to handle today. We did a nice wrap. I helped, with the gentleman over here. We helped wrap with a bamboo lettuce the exterior part of the house. Frank is gonna stain it later, make it nice and pretty, and I'm just gonna walk through a little bit more details. No electricity yet. We just use the local tools and the battery operated tools, and it's gonna be nice and pretty. This is a little house, just walking in, so making frame. It's gonna be kitchen over here. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hello. Say hello to the world. Yes. So they're doing metal frame, which just installed a door jamb over here. Door jamb, windows is gonna be nice lighting. Lots of natural products is used over here. Very good quality, old wood, so it's very cool. So very happy to see that the local products is using here. So it's gonna be bathroom over here. Here you go, cool man. Good job guys. Okay, and I'm just gonna walk with you all the way. Thank you so much guys. Okay, moving forward, the team guys working really hard every day. Believe me guys, in those parts of the world, people just surviving on $10-15 a day, and just need help. They need help, and they're happy to work. And believe me, it's not easy life here. It's not easy life. You got to really survive it and get through. So here's the field. So he's cleaning. There's multiple fields over here in the jungle that needs to be cleaned up, and definitely I will get well organized. The soil is great. Weather is perfect over here. Lots of sun, nice. The rain, the forest rain is coming. Actually, rain season is going to be very soon. So he's just evaluating, preparing the hill area where the pineapples. In our previous videos or future videos, you'll see the pineapple field a little bit over there. So he needs to create the concrete blocks and tires, as we spoke before, and he's gonna actually start to grow the dragon fruits, multiple varieties, and introduce the local markets over here with the beautiful fruits. So here I'm gonna walk with you guys to the pond where lots of tilapia fish. Actually, it's already here, so he's gonna make good recycling water over here. It's gonna be nice filtered, clean this little pond over here with the natural water is going through. He's gonna set up the filters and clean. It's gonna be some kind of cool natural jacuzzi. Here you go. In these little ponds, there is a different size of tilapia fish is growing, so that's gonna be used as well to live and sustain in life, So here's the biggest size and everything. So he explained me how does it work, how to plant the coconut plants that it can hold the barrier, and this way the water will circulate from station to station to provide, and he can collect the natural fertilizers and move on farther and farther. Okay, so there is another option to have the goat house over here. The chickens house is over there. So there's still a lot of work to do, and that's the house. So basically got to build a shelter, building the shelter first, and then you continue with the road, provide materials and everything. Then he's gonna start to build the frames for the concrete posts for the dragon fruit. Set up the area, break it in the distance, and it's gonna be a big start. So this is my first time I visit France Miharez over here in Philippines. Couple days work, then I'm gonna move forward to travel further, and I wish him lots of luck, lots of help from us and from local people over here, and would be nice to see how's everything gonna grow here. He'll be back summertime. He'll be back summertime to take care of his plants in the Port Varnini, Oxnard area, right?
Yeah,
Port Vainimi. So he's waiting for you guys to come over, and definitely we'll be happy to see you in Philippines, and as well as back to our LA area.
I'll be back on June 20. June 20, I'll be
See
back.
you soon, guys, and I'll
See
be
you
back
soon.
in the week. Hopefully I'll post the videos. Peace. Wish you all the best. Greetings from beautiful Philippines. Okay, bye-bye.
Hoorah.